The Pamir radar station, also known as Pamir 3, is a former Soviet military facility located on Mount Tomnatyk, in the Bukovyna Carpathians of Ukraine. Built during the Cold War, it was a top-secret installation designed to provide long-range air defense and radar coverage of a vast area, from the Turkish coast to the Baltic Sea. The station, which was a part of the larger Soviet Union's airspace tracking network, became operational in the 1960s. The most distinctive feature of the Pamir station are its 5 large, white, spherical domes, which once housed powerful radar antennas. These domes, which resemble giant golf balls, sit on the mountain peak at an altitude of 1,565 meters. The station was abandoned in the mid-1990s following the collapse of the Soviet Union. Today, the Pamir radar station is no longer a strategic military site but has transformed into a popular tourist destination. Its isolated, high-altitude location offers stunning panoramic views of the Carpathian Mountains, attracting hikers and photographers. High in the rugged peaks of the Bukovyna Carpathians, on a windswept summit near the border of Romania, lies a testament to a bygone era of global tension and technological ambition. This is the story of the Pamir radar station, a former top-secret Soviet military facility that once stood as a sentinel of the Cold War and has since been repurposed into an unlikely symbol of peace, adventure, and cultural expression. The origins of the Pamir station trace back to the height of the Cold War. The Soviet Union, in its bid to secure its airspace and maintain a formidable defense against potential attacks from NATO, constructed a network of long-range radar installations across its vast territory. The Pamir station, known by its military designation, Pamir-3, was a crucial component of this network. Its strategic location on Mount Tomnatyk, with an unobstructed line of sight over a massive expanse of Central and Eastern Europe, allowed it to monitor a significant portion of the air border from the Turkish coast all the way to the Baltic Sea. The station was built to house powerful radar systems designed for continuous, all-around monitoring of airspace, serving as an early warning system for any potential aerial threats. The 5 massive radar domes, which gave the station its futuristic and now iconic appearance, were constructed to protect the sensitive electronic equipment from the extreme weather conditions of the Carpathians, including heavy snow, powerful winds, and freezing temperatures. These domes, known as radomes, were made of a fiberglass-like material that was transparent to radio waves, allowing the radar antennas inside to operate without interference. With the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 and the subsequent end of the Cold War, the Pamir station's purpose became obsolete. The strategic need for such a facility vanished, and the newly independent nation of Ukraine did not have the resources to maintain the aging, highly specialized equipment. As a result, the station was officially decommissioned and abandoned in the mid-1990s. The military personnel left, and the once bustling base fell silent. Over the years, the buildings and equipment were subject to the elements and, unfortunately, vandalism. The valuable electronics and metal components were stripped, leaving behind the empty shells of the massive radomes and the concrete structures that supported them. However, the story of the Pamir station did not end with its abandonment. The very remoteness and unique aesthetics that made it a powerful military asset now make it an irresistible draw for a new generation of adventurers. Its location on Mount Tomnatyk offers some of the most spectacular panoramic views in the Ukrainian Carpathians, with a breathtaking 360-degree vista of rolling hills and dense forests. For hikers and photographers, the station has become a pilgrimage site. The journey to the summit, often starting from the village of Shepet, is a challenging but rewarding trek, leading visitors through pristine natural landscapes to the surreal sight of the white domes against the backdrop of the mountains. The station's unique appearance has also given it a second life in the cultural sphere. Its otherworldly, futuristic aesthetic has been featured in music videos, including the one for the song, 1944, by Ukrainian artist Jamala. The site has also become a venue for ethno-festivals, such as Love Bukovyna Because It Is Worth It, which celebrates the local culture and spirit of the region. These events bring a vibrant and celebratory energy to a place once defined by its solemn military purpose, transforming it from a symbol of global conflict into a stage for local community and artistic expression. Today, the Pamir radar station stands as a poignant and fascinating monument to a pivotal moment in modern history. It is a place where a secret, high-tech installation has been reclaimed by nature and reimagined by culture. The decaying radomes, with their peeling paint and ghostly presence, serve as a powerful reminder of the past, while the festivals, hikers, and artists who visit the site represent a hopeful vision for the future. The Pamir radar station's story is a compelling narrative of transformation, demonstrating how a symbol of military might can evolve to become a beacon of beauty, adventure, and a new kind of freedom in the heart of the Carpathians.